Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can download and install Mozilla Firefox on Windows 10 or 11 in 2025 to use it as your main web browser or as an alternative to Opera, Chrome, Edge, and so on and so forth. So let us dive right into it. So as you can see, I am already using Firefox on my computer, so let me guide you through the installation really quickly through another web browser, in this case here Edge. So head over to your web browser you're using and the search engine. I'm going to use Bing, for instance, and after that simply type in your so type in Firefox, for instance. So you may also use that suggestion here, and after that click into the first search entry you see here. Of course it will be in your language, like your domestic language, your native language, which is in my case here Polish, but we see also some English search entries, so let me go with that one here. You may also click directly into download, and after that, or before you do that guys, you will be also given the opportunity to set Firefox as your default browser. Now I'm not going to do this, but you can select this option anytime, and after that click into download. After that, wait for the installation to be started, so click into that launcher. And after that, simply go through that installation. Now, I doubt I will be able to install it for a second time, but it is actually very, very simple, guys. Simply go through that installation, wait for Firefox to finish the installation. It will be ready, as you can see, in a few moments. So let us give it a second. And there you go. As you can see, it has been installed. So I guess it's because I have already installed it on my device. So it, basically it skipped the installation, but that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.